Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your SOUNDCORE P40i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone and we have the information right here, and then you open the charging case to reconnect your phone. To reconnect your earbuds with the phone, and it can fix some problem here. Maybe this one actually. If it didn't help you, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, also put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, at the back side of the case, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it for at least 10 seconds. So I'm press and hold it right now, and I wait until this LED light flashed 3 times rapidly. First it enters to pairing mode, and then I will have it. There we go. Now I can release my finger, and then we should remove these earbuds from the phone. Click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, and forget device. Then, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So we will see it at the device list, and now tap on it to connect it with the phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.